Hello students, welcome to the today's EVS class. So dear students, in the last class we have discussed about how the outdoor and indoor games are played. So what are the outdoor games and what are indoor games? So this much we have discussed in our last session. So in our today's session, let us discuss about the team games. Okay. So team games. Team games. Look at the textbook. First I will explain later. First I will read out the paragraph and then I will explain. Okay. Look at the textbook. Team games. Hockey, football, cricket, basketball, volleyball are some popular team games. Playing team games teaches us the values of teamwork and cooperation. Most schools appoint a special sports coach to train the children in team games. So dear children, as you all know that team games means it is a team, a group of players are there. Okay, a group of players together, they forms the team games. So in the team games will teach us a good values for our life. What are the good values that are taught by the team games? So it teaches us the values of the teamwork and cooperation. So volleyball, football, okay, volleyball, so football, then cricket. Okay, so these are some of the what type of games they are? They are the what type of games? They are the team games. So these team games which teach us a good values. So what values they will teach us? They teach the values of a teamwork and cooperation. So they teach us what? So they teach us the value of cooperation. Value of cooperation are also called coordination. Value of cooperation or coordination and also the values of teamwork. And also the values of teamwork. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆ ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ದೆಮ್. ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ good player. Like this, a teamwork must be there. A team strategies must be there. So there should be a good coordination in the team. So like this, a team will teach us a good values for our life. And in the every schools, so they are appoint a special sports person as a coach to train the students in the different types of sports. So they will appoint a person called as a special sports coach. So they will appoint a special coach. So we will give the information and the strategies of playing the games. He will supervise the students to make the play the games perfectly. So understood dear students about the team game? So I'll repeat once again. Hockey, football, cricket, basketball and volleyball are some popular team games. Playing team games teaches us the values of teamwork, cooperation. Most schools appoint a special sports coach to the children in the team games. Okay, understood this much? Okay, now let's move to the next one, that is games in the past. So next, games in the past. First I'll read out. Look at the textbook. In the past, when there were no televisions, no video games, children were healthier. So during those days, so nowadays the children are restricted to the, they stick to the certain place and they will play the games only. They never go the out. Nowadays what happens, the students or the children will not come out of the home and they will play the different types of games. They will stick to the certain place and they are playing the video games only. So nowadays the obesity, okay, and body pains will come due to that. But in the olden days, in the past time, so all the children are very healthier because they will play a lot in the ground outside the home. Okay, so they are healthier because of these kind of games. They run in the open fields. They play the outdoor games like skipping, kabaddi, seven tiles is also called pitho, hide and seek, anak and mikoli, hopscotch and it's also called stampo, and lagori. ಲಗೋರಿ ತಾಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಗೋರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಲಗೋರಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಓಡೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬೆನ್ನಿಗೆ ಎಸಿತಾರಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಎ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಸಮ್ ಇಂಡೋರ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ವರ್ ಗರ್ ಗರ್ ವಿತ್ ಡೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಿಟ್ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಡೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಿಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಚಿನ್ನಿದಂಡ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ದ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ wrestling while the younger ones play the games like ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ದಂಡ, marbles and kanchi and killi. Okay, so this is the some of the games who are played in the olden time. So during the olden time the children are very healthy due to these kind of games. ಸೊ ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್, ಔಟ್ಡೋರ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್. ಅವರು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಕಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಿದ್ರು, ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನೌ ಡೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್. Okay, that's why they are suffering from the lot of problems. If we have to come out of the problems, we have to visit the nature in the open field. They have to play the games. Okay children. Okay, I'll repeat once again. In the past, when there were no televisions, no video games, children are healthier. They are ran in the open fields. They played the outdoor games like skipping, kabaddi, seven tails, hide and seek, hopscotch, langri thang. These are required a lot of energy. So these kind of games will require a lot of energy. So the playing this they will energetic while playing these kind of games. And these required a lot of energy. Some indoor games are played were gar gar with dolls and gitte. Older children enjoy the whistling while the younger ones playing a gilli danda. You are also played this alva, ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ದಂಡ. So marbles, conkeys and kikli. Okay, kilki. So these are some of the games that are played in the lost and the past during the olden days. So now among these some of the games are now also children are playing these kind of games. Okay, so this is about how the games are famous in the past. Okay, so now let's study about the game is work for some. Game is work for some. So let's discuss about the game is work for some. Game is work for some. So look at the textbook, dear children. So a game played for fun or earn money for the competition is called as sports. A person who plays a sports is called as sportsman. So what is called as a sports? So the game which is played to earn the money. To earn money are called as sports. It's called as sports, and who play the sports are called as sportsmen. Called sportsman. Clear children? So those who play the sports are called as sportsman. what are sports? The games which are played to earn the money, to get the money, to receive the money is called as sports. Okay. Some people earn money by playing a sport. It is an occupation. Some sports that people play the professionally are. So here the you know about the ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನ್ ಆದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಯುಪೇಷನ್, ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೋ ಅಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಥರದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಥ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್, ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್, ಹಾಕಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಮಿಂಟನ್, ಬೇಸ್ಬಾಲ್, ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್, wrestling, polo, billiards, snooker, archery, weightlifting, table tennis. So these are some of the games which are played, sports which are played to earn the money. Famous, you know about the cricket very well. So hockey you know, badminton also you know. So football you also you know, baseball, boxing you know, okay. Athletics, that means running events, wrestling, kusti, it's also called kusti, polo, billiards, snooker, archery means what billu anta heltivalla adu. So weightlifting, okay, and table tennis. So these are the games which are played to earn the money for sports, okay. So this completes our lesson. One more point is there, that is the adventurous sports, okay. Adventure sports. Let's see what are adventure sports. Adventure sports, okay. Adventure sports. Next, look at the textbook. Some sports like yachting, river rafting, surfing, gliding and scuba diving are risky but exciting. So it is very exciting, okay. So these kind of games are very dangerous one. So it looks very strange, ತುಂಬ ಭಯಂಕರ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ರೇಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Some of them having interest towards these adventurous sports, okay. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸು ಅದು? ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್, ರಿವರ್ ರಾಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಸರ್ಫಿಂಗ್, ಗ್ಲೈಡಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಬಾ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಬಾ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಆಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಬಾ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್. ಅಥವಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಬಾ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋ ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನು ಜನಗಳು ಅದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸೊ what are the adventurous sports? Adventurous sports are the risky sports which is still existing today also. So it is a very risky jobs, okay. They are called as the adventure sports. They are called as the adventurous sports. They are becoming a very popular nowadays. Nowadays even it is a strange also. Nowadays also the people are playing these kind of games. Okay children? Okay. Now, so this completes our lesson 4. So that is funning is or playing is fun. Okay. Playing is fun. This completes the lesson. Playing is fun. This is the chapter 4. Okay. So dear children, here is the many of them activities are given. I will send a snap for you people. You have to complete this, and after completing this I will give the exercise questions to you people. So here you can see the fun time, column A, column B, that you have to match, okay. And I will give the answers for these exercise questions later, okay. And I will give the some of the questions for this type of this Saina has wants to know, no? That one also you have to complete. I will send the snap, okay. So there is an activity regarding this. I will send the activities through the WhatsApp group, okay. That activities you must be complete, okay children. So thank you for the watching today's session. So in the today's session we were completed the discussions regarding the chapter 3, that is the playing is fun. Okay, in the next session we will come up with the one more chapter. So dear children, practice the lessons questions very well. So try to read the chapter, and you have to practice the difficult spellings also. Okay children, thank you for the watching class.